Hello everyone. How to learn PHP and SQL and databases practically and fast in short time. Let's go through this task. We will discuss you how to do this. First of all, you have to install Xampp in your machine. This is a platform for creating databases and manipulating and processing databases in your machine from this website Apache friends.org. Okay, so it's free. The second step, start required services. Open Xampp like this. I installed already and I will open now Xampp. So this is, and then click start in the Apache and start in the MySQL. So here the Apache start, it was running before, and here MySQL also start. So now it's running. So we go to the third step. The third step is to locate hdocs folder. So hdocs, it's found in Xampp, and Xampp is installed in C, not in program files. So here you will copy this, Control C, and okay, you can open C and locate Xampp after installing it, sure. And here hdocs, hdocs, this one. Okay, so I will remove these files because I don't need them. Okay, so we go to the next step, which is step number 4, and we will open phpMyAdmin. How to open it? From localhost. So here we will write localhost, okay, and the phpMyAdmin, and insert and print. Now go to number 5. Number 5 is to create users table inside database called test. So here number 4 and number 5. Test is a database and there is a table inside it. It's called a table. So go to here and new, press new, and then create database here, and we will name it as test. And here we will create it. Database created. Now we will create a table, but we can use this wizard, but I can create it using SQL. So I will open the tab SQL here, and now go to here, and for creating a table from you using SQL, I need to download this SQL file and other files from here, from this link, and I will share this link in the description below. So we open here, this is the link, and I download all these files, and now downloaded. Go to download here, download, and from here there is the folder. I will unzip it here. So here open, and then open this folder, and this is the SQL. I opened here, and I will take the code which in this file. This code create a table named users, and inside this table there is 4 columns: ID, first name, last name, email. Okay, so I will copy this code and go back in phpMyAdmin, where is my database test here, and already I'm here. So I open SQL and will paste this code and then go. Now I have a users table, and inside it there is 4 columns, these ones. Okay, so we now create a database, and inside it there is a table with 4 columns. What else we have? We have we need to copy the file insert.php on the hdocs folder. So here in the download, we will copy this file, and the download, where download. Okay, let's go back here in download, and here we have this file insert.php, this one, copy it, and then go to hdocs, which is inside exam, and paste this one, insert.php. What there are in insert.php? In insert.php, there are these steps. The first steps is to assign 4 variables for the required data for connecting to the database. These 4 variables include the database name, host name, the database username, the password, no password, so it's no thing. So the name of the database, which is test, all things are inside quotations or double quotations. Then the second, here we check connecting with database in phpMyAdmin. We created already database with 4 columns, which are following next. So we use here to connect MySQL I_connect function, and pass on it these 4 parameters, which are these 4 variables up. And then if the connection is true, so we will get a message, database connected successfully. If it is false, we will get this one, unable to connect database. Okay, then after that we establish dealing with database. How to deal with database? Like this, $SQL, this is a variable, and this variable execute famous statement in SQL, which is insert into users, which is a table inside the test database, and inside this table there are 4 columns: ID, first name, last name, email, and we will pass these values, which null or these values. Okay, this is the values, we can change it, this bus for checking. Then check process, query, MySQL query, connection SQL. So if query, user inserted successfully, but if it's false, we get user does not insert. So if this function return true, so we get user inserted successfully. If return false, we get the other message. So this is what we will check now. Go to the other steps of the task. We have number 6, to test the code. How to test the code? We will open localhost insert.php. So here we write localhost, and then enter. And here we have insert.php. Click on it. So now we have error, syntax error, unexpected identifier. Why insert.php on line 5? So here, insert. So it's now working. To check what's happened here on the local host, we open the users, and from here browse, and here we have check users. So we have users here, and there is a structure. All these are found here. First name, okay, and here if we browse, we will find this. This is our enter data. If you click again here, for the same insert, we may find another line of code. If refresh here, line of another row, we have up 2 rows, and so on. If you have any question, ask and I reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video.